Hi, we are still talking about Islamic art and moving into architecture. We're going to be talking about mosques and architectural elements today. Our objective, I can design a building using elements of Islamic architecture. Because being able to design a building is fun, and if you want to be an architect in the future, it's a really cool job to have. And you'll know you did it when you designed your building using at least 3 vocabulary words and made it symmetrical. Quick facts about Islamic art. Islam is a religion founded by the Prophet Muhammad around 600 CE. Islam promotes kindness and helping others. Religious art rarely shows people or animals, and it's not considered appropriate to show holy figures' faces. Islamic art refers to both religious and non-religious art from the Middle East. So it's both religious and from the area. Islamic art is highly ornate. Elements of Islamic architecture. Symmetry means that something is the same on both sides. Asymmetrical means that it's not the same on both sides. Radial symmetry is when something is the same starting from the middle out. A dome, say dome, it's a hemispherical or a half sphere top of a building. Here's an example. Minarets, go like this and say minaret. Minarets are prayer towers in Islamic architecture. Ornate means very decorative, and an arabesque is a design that often uses radial symmetry that is floral with curving lines and geometric patterns. The Dome of the Rock is a mosque, which is an Islamic place of worship. The Dome of the Rock is the oldest complete example of Islamic architecture that is still standing. It was built around 1,300 years ago. The Alhambra Palace, the Court of the Lions. This is the Alhambra. Pause this video and talk with someone about what you see and which of these Islamic architectural elements you see. We have an arabesque, we have a dome, a minaret, symmetry, and behind my picture right here is, what is behind my picture right there? What are we missing? Figured it out. We're missing ornate. All right. So find what you see, find some of these elements of architecture. Did you see that it's really ornate in these areas? There's arabesques if you look closely, the designs. There's no dome in this one, but it is symmetrical. If you cut this in half, it's the same on both sides. Now you're going to design your own building using Islamic architectural elements. Here's the Dome of the Rock, the Alhambra, and this is the Taj Mahal as examples. You're going to use at least 3 vocabulary words, and you're going to make it symmetrical. It can be a design for any building, so long as it's school appropriate, that uses Islamic architecture as inspiration. Here's my example that you can see. You're going to use at least 3 vocabulary terms. It's ornate with lots of details. It's symmetrical, and it can be designed for any purpose that you want, so long as it's school appropriate. All right, and here is a video to show you how I made mine. And you're going to take a picture and a video if you want a blue grade. I'm excited to see your buildings.